What if I told you that for less than the price of a dinner at a 5-star restaurant, you could move to Europe legally, work from the beach, and travel across 27 countries without a job offer from Europe? Well, Portugal is giving remote workers from India, Pakistan, the UK, the USA, Canada, Australia, and most countries globally a golden ticket. A digital nomad visa for just 9,200 rupees. If you're a freelancer, remote employee, or entrepreneur, your dream European life might be closer than you think. Stay with me for 10 minutes and I'll show you exactly how to get this visa, what you'll need, and why Portugal might be the best move of your life. What is the Portugal Digital Nomad Visa? Portugal launched its D8 Digital Nomad Visa in late 2022, and it's a game changer. It allows remote workers, freelancers, and entrepreneurs from non-European countries to live in Portugal for up to 1 year and work for clients anywhere in the world. And the best part? The visa fee is just €90, that's around 9,200 rupees only. Which Portugal Digital Nomad Visa is best for you? Long-term versus temporary explained. There are two types of digital nomad visas. Temporary stay visa, valid for 12 months, multiple entries. It can be renewed up to 4 times, total 5 years, but it does not directly lead to permanent residency. Long-term or residency visa, valid as a 4-month entry visa, which you convert to a 2-year residence permit upon arrival. This permit is renewable for up to 5 years total and can eventually lead to permanent residency or citizenship if you stay long-term. People planning a shorter move often choose the temporary visa, while those aiming to settle longer in Portugal go for the long-term route. Both visas share the same core requirements, which we will discuss later, but the long-term visa allows family reunification and a direct pathway to permanent status. Portugal Digital Nomad Visa requirements. Can you qualify? To qualify for Portugal's Digital Nomad Visa, you must meet these key criteria. Age and nationality. You must be at least 18 years old and a non-EU or EEA citizen. Income. You need a steady monthly income of at least 4 times the Portuguese minimum wage. With the current minimum wage, Euro 820 in 2024, rising to €870 in 2025, that means roughly €3,300 to €3,480 per month. Remote work proof. You must provide evidence of remote work, such as an employment contract or business freelance agreements with companies outside Portugal. Other documents, a valid passport, and any required travel authorizations, health insurance covering your stay in Portugal, and a clean criminal record from your home country. In practice, this means gathering your work contracts or invoices, recent bank statements, showing the required income, travel insurance, police clearance certificate, etc., before you apply. Once you have everything ready, you can proceed to the application steps that we will discuss ahead. In addition to visa rules, Portugal boasts modern infrastructure and a high quality of life. Cities like Lisbon offer fast internet, vibrant co-working communities, and an affordable cost of living. The image above shows Lisbon at night, a reminder that digital nomads here enjoy both city culture and scenic beauty. English is widely spoken in urban areas, and Portugal ranks among the safest countries in the world, with excellent healthcare and schools as well. How do you apply for Portugal's Digital Nomad Visa? You apply for the D8 visa at a Portuguese consulate, for Indians, the embassy in New Delhi or consulate in Mumbai, or through the VFS Global Visa Center. In Pakistan, apply via the Portuguese embassy in Islamabad. The basic steps are: Number 1. Check eligibility. Confirm you meet all criteria: age, income, documents. Gather proof of income, employment, insurance, etc. Number 2. Prepare documents. Collect your visa application form, passport photos, employment contracts, bank statements, insurance certificate, criminal record certificate, proof of address, etc. Some countries require a fiscal residency proof legalized by apostille. Number 3. Fill application and pay fee. Complete the national visa form, available on the embassy's website, and pay the fee, about €90. Number 4. Submit at Consulate. Book an appointment at the Portuguese Consulate VFS Center and submit your application with all documents. Number 5. Wait for approval. Processing times vary. You will be notified once the visa is approved. Number 6. Travel and get residence permit. Once approved, enter Portugal before your visa expires. If you have the long-term visa, you must apply for a residence permit at SEF, now IMA, within the visa period. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe to UK Routine for more on visas and living abroad. Why choose Portugal for remote work? Key benefits of the Digital Nomad Visa. The D8 visa comes with several advantages. You can bring your spouse and dependent children and work legally in Portugal. As a resident, you'll also gain visa-free travel within the Schengen area. After 5 years, with renewals, you can even apply for Portuguese permanent residency or citizenship. Portugal's mild climate, friendly lifestyle, and safety make it attractive, or it's consistently ranked among the safest countries globally. The economy is stable, healthcare and education are high quality, and English speakers get by easily in cities. What are the drawbacks of Portugal's Digital Nomad Visa? Know before you apply. There are some challenges. First, the income requirement is high, or you need substantial earnings or savings to qualify. The application process can also be slow. Appointments and paperwork at consulates, both in India, Pakistan and in Portugal, may take time. Housing in Lisbon, Porto or other hotspots is expensive and competitive, so budgeting carefully is important. Finally, while the visa fee itself is low, maintaining your income level and health insurance for a year can be costly. How does Portugal compare to other digital nomad visa countries? Still unsure if Portugal is the right destination for you? Let's compare it with some of the other popular countries offering digital nomad visas, especially for Indians and Pakistanis working remotely. Spain launched its digital nomad visa in early 2023. It's designed for remote workers and freelancers just like Portugal's. Income requirement is slightly lower, about €2,650 per month compared to Portugal's €3,300. You can stay up to 5 years, and it offers a clear path to permanent residency. But Spain's tax system is more complex, and application processing can be slower. Still, it's a strong choice if you're fluent in Spanish or love Spanish culture. Estonia was actually the first country in the world to offer a digital nomad visa back in 2020. Great for tech professionals and digital entrepreneurs. Easy online application and very startup friendly. However, the cost of living in Tallinn is rising, and winters can be freezing, not ideal for everyone. Also, English is common, but the local language is quite difficult. Dubai introduced a remote work visa in 2021. Fast visa processing, top-class infrastructure, no income tax. But the cost of living is very high, especially housing, schools, and lifestyle. Also, cultural restrictions and rules may feel different for remote workers used to more relaxed environments. Thailand's new 10-year long-term resident, LTR, visa targets wealthy global professionals. Great if you love tropical weather and low cost of food and transport. But you need to earn over $80,000 per year or have $1 million in assets. Plus, visa rules can be confusing and change often. Final verdict: why Portugal stands out. So, what's the bottom line? Portugal offers one of the most balanced digital nomad visas in the world. It's affordable compared to Dubai or Spain. Easier to qualify for than Thailand. Safer and more scenic than most urban hubs. And offers the potential for EU citizenship after just 5 years of legal stay. For Indian and Pakistani remote workers looking for sun, sea, safety, and a clear legal path, Portugal is one of the best choices today. All the information in this video comes from official Portuguese immigration sources, embassy websites, and trusted outlets like NDTV and Digital Emigra, so you can apply with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to UK Routine, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new update on visas, migration tips, and remote work opportunities around the world. Got questions about the application process? Drop them in the comments. I respond to everyone. Thank you for watching, and until next time, work smart, travel smarter, and live your global dream.